In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Bitcoin in Cash App. First, you want to load up Cash App, and from within this home screen, you just want to click on the bank icon found in the bottom left corner. Now from here, it's going to look like this. You want to scroll down until you see the option for Bitcoin, learn and invest, and you want to click on start here. Now it's going to take us to this page. If you scroll down, you will see the basics of Bitcoin. You will see roundups, auto invest, paid in Bitcoin, pay with Bitcoin, and also deposit Bitcoin. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to buy one Bitcoin here, or if you try buying Bitcoin, you can select the amount which you want to purchase. You can do $1, $10, $100, or a custom amount here. And once you click on the amount and select next, then it's going to ask you to verify your identity. You will need to link your phone number if you haven't done so already. Then you will need to provide a government issued document such as your ID, driver's license. It's going to ask for your full legal name, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and also your date of birth. Sometimes it's also going to ask for a selfie to confirm your identity. If you don't see those options, then you will click on your profile icon in the top right, and then you will just click on verify your identity here, personal info, and once you verify your identity, then you will be able to use Bitcoin, and you will have enabled Bitcoin. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.